Welcome to Prime Health Point, where you'll discover doctor-approved health tips, natural remedies, and wellness guides to feel your best. Do you feel tired all the time, gain weight without eating more, or struggle with sudden mood swings? What if I told you these aren't just signs of stress, but hidden signals your hormones are crying out for help? If you're over 35, this video could change your life. After age 35, many women experience subtle yet powerful changes in their bodies. These signs are often dismissed as stress, aging, or just life. But in reality, they could be early indicators of hormonal imbalance or even perimenopause. Why hormones matter more than ever after 35. Hormones are your body's chemical messengers. As you age, especially after 35, estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone start fluctuating. These fluctuations can wreak havoc on your energy, mood, skin, and overall well-being. The silent shift. What is perimenopause? Perimenopause is the transitional phase before menopause. It can begin as early as your mid-30s and last up to 10 years. The problem? Most women don't recognize it because the signs are so subtle. Hidden signs. Sudden fatigue that won't go away. Feeling exhausted even after 8 hours of sleep? Your cortisol levels might be out of balance. Estrogen decline impacts your sleep-wake cycles, making rest feel useless. Brain fog and memory issues. Can't concentrate? Forget where you put your keys? Estrogen is deeply linked with brain function, and its decline can create mental fog, even anxiety. Irregular periods or heavy bleeding. Your cycle becomes unpredictable. 1 month it's light, the next it's intense. This happens because your ovaries are producing inconsistent hormone levels. Weight gain, especially around the belly. Despite eating healthy, you're gaining weight, particularly around the waist. That's insulin resistance at work, triggered by declining estrogen and rising cortisol. Hair thinning or hair loss. Thinning at the crown or a receding hairline isn't just genetics. Low progesterone and thyroid imbalance play a major role in female hair health. Anxiety, depression, or mood swings. Sudden sadness, panic attacks, irritability. Estrogen affects serotonin production, your body's natural, feel-good hormone. Less estrogen means a roller coaster of emotions. Low sex drive or painful intercourse. If your libido has vanished or intimacy has become uncomfortable, don't ignore it. Declining estrogen leads to vaginal dryness and less blood flow, making sex painful or unappealing. The hormone happiness connection. Balancing your hormones isn't just about easing symptoms. It's about reclaiming your energy, joy, and confidence. When your hormones are in sync, your life feels in sync. Natural ways to restore balance. Eat more phytoestrogen-rich foods. Cut sugar and refined carbs. Get enough healthy fats. Practice stress management daily. Sleep like it's a prescription. Try adaptogenic herbs. Keep moving, but don't overdo it. Get your hormones tested. When to see a specialist. If symptoms disrupt your daily life, don't wait. A holistic doctor or women's health specialist can create a personalized plan to restore hormonal harmony. You're not alone. Millions of women are struggling. In Europe and the USA, more than 40 million women over 35 experience undiagnosed hormonal imbalance. You're not crazy. You're not broken. You're just in transition, and there's help. If this video helped you understand your body better, give it a thumbs up and share it with other women over 35 who might be struggling in silence. Don't forget to subscribe for more real, science-backed health tips